Welcome back to a new school year. Today you will register online for your Work Ethic Diploma. By registering at the Work Ethic Diploma website, you can more easily track your progress throughout the year and make sure that you get all of the points awarded to you that you deserve. The Work Ethic Diploma contains 14 standards, and meeting the standards will award points that accumulate over the year. You don't have to earn points for all of the standards. You only need to meet enough of the standards to accumulate 20 points, and you'll see it's easy to do. You do not need to concern yourself today with the 14 standards. We have almost the entire senior year to explain and work towards each one of those. This video is only to help you register online. Students who earn 20 points will earn a Work Ethic Diploma. By earning the Work Ethic Diploma, you have another tool in your tool belt, an accomplishment that you can put on your resume, and one that will guarantee you an interview at over 40 of our local businesses. Regardless of your future plans, whether you decide to work right after graduating from high school or pursue college, the Work Ethic Diploma will be a valuable feather in your hat. To get started, visit the workethicdiploma.com website and click on Register. On the next page, you are asked to select the type of user. You are a student. Once you select Student, then click on Next. On the registration page, you are to select a username. Select something preferably short and easy to remember. And for the password, do the same. Short and easy to remember. And then confirm the same short and easy password. Next, you will select which high school you currently attend in the drop-down box and the year you plan to graduate. You are also asked to select a career interest. Next, enter your name, your first name, and then your last name. Be sure to use the same name that your school has on record. Then add an accurate email address that you plan to use throughout the year. Finally, it will ask you for your birthday and your gender. Next time you log in, you can manage your account and update your personal information at the WeTrack Manage Account page, where you can update your personal information. Once you are registered, you have the ability to check the status of your Work Ethic Diploma. A staff member is responsible for entering the data, but only after you have provided sufficient documentation for any of the 14 Work Ethic Diploma standards. If you have questions about the registration process, ask your advisory teacher first, as they may know the answer already. If they don't know the answer, they will get it for you.